and good afternoon. We've been making some great progress the last few weeks with the van, and I think it's just a testament to how much effort it takes to do prep work, but then you really start to get rolling with certain elements of it. So we did the finished flooring, and then the final electrical, at least the hookup of everything, and now we're on to the finished ceiling. So I am using shiplap, which is right here. I ended up getting it at Home Depot. I felt like it was quite the find because I was looking for something that was light. I also wanted a gray ceiling, and this particular shiplap is gray, but it also has some elements of the natural wood that comes through. So it's the perfect combination for me. This piece I was just messing around with different hole saw sizes to see what what would fit best for the LED light, which I'm using this one. And I love this particular design because it installs with essentially friction on the side, so it makes it very easy to do. This video is going to be relatively short, especially compared to all the other ones, because we're just going to go and show what it's like to do one of the boards, since they're virtually all the same. Everything's a straight cut. You just got to make sure you screw into the underlying support wood that we already installed in a previous video, and it's just cut and repeat. And the most complicated one will be definitely the one with the lights, so that's the one we'll show. But other than that, maybe we'll just take a few pictures along the way and then show the finished product. And so if you want to glance up there, you can see we've done a few of them already, and they're looking quite good. First step is finding a good piece of wood. This is everything I bought from Home Depot, and it's all pretty good, but with the first pieces, I want to make sure they're the best of best, because they're going to be at the entrance of the van, and I obviously want to make sure that looks very good. All right, this looks good. Last step for putting up the finished ceiling is to, well, screw it in. So I strip back my wires so that I can more easily attach the 12-volt wires that come with the lights. Also, something to note, so this is, I mentioned before that this is shiplap. Shiplap really is meant to go in one direction. So you can see the little step or key sticking out, and the corresponding notch. It screws in really easy going this direction. So you're supposed to start from one side of a room and work your way to the other side. But with the van, I needed to make sure I was dead center with it, and I didn't trust measuring just because of how, the walls are curved and everything. So I started with my centerpiece, made sure that was dead center, and then I've gone both directions. And so in order to go this way with shiplap, you really have to leave the last one a bit loose, so that you can slide in the corresponding key into it, and then you can screw that one in. So I always have my last one loose as I go through. When I go down the van, I will now know where my center is, and so I'll go down all the way and then just back using the kind of appropriate installation for shiplap. Anyways, so we can install this. that one fits nice. You good?
Yeah.
You're in front of the camera.
Where am I supposed to go?
Just to the side a little bit. Just to the side a little bit. Okay. Is it over there all the way?
Yeah.
All right.
Is this one where I am?
Okay. And that's it. Now we're done. Yep, it's 2020.
Oh my word.
Outside our house.